Hi everyone in the world of cloud computing. Here are a few tech news highlights from this week. I'm Brad Nelson of Nelson Hilliard, cloud computing recruitment specialist, placing great people in cloud, IoT, fintech and AI. First, I'd personally like to thank you all for showing the love and support on social media with subscribing to our blogs and YouTube videos. Your comments and support are very important, and remember to book your call with me personally using my online diary. There's a link below in the description box. Also, watch out for the new weekly cloud computing shows with David Linthicum, who is the world's #1 cloud industry expert and internationally recognized thought leader. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share these videos with your friends and colleagues. If you or your organization has any media stories to feature in this show, please email media@nelsonhilliard.com. This week, research has revealed that Tesla's cloud had hackers that ran crypto mining scripts. According to the study by RedLock, there were more than 12 million resources processing petabytes of network traffic. An unsecured Kubernetes pod was exposed with access credentials to Tesla's Amazon Web Services environment. The environment contained an AWS S3 bucket which held sensitive data. The mining hack was quickly closed off and was immediately reported back to Tesla by RedLock. Chinese firm Xiaomi and Microsoft signed a deal to work together on AI, cloud and hardware. The two companies signed a strategic framework to work closely to explore ways to drive deeper technology integration and collaboration, particularly around AI. The deal will see Microsoft's cloud computing and AI technology combined with Xiaomi's mobile and smart devices to help accelerate the Chinese brand's international growth. Dr. Harry Shum, Executive Vice President of Microsoft's Artificial Intelligence and Research Group, said, "Xiaomi is one of the most innovative companies in China and it is becoming increasingly popular in various markets around the world. Microsoft's unique strengths and experience in AI, as well as other products like Azure, will enable Xiaomi to develop more cutting-edge technology for everyone around the world." The Independent Commission Against Corruption, or the ICAC, warned New South Wales Government to better screen its new hires. The New South Wales public sector has been put on notice by the state's corruption watchdog in the wake of several cases of fraud that could have been prevented with more thorough background checks. The ICAC's warning was instigated by its previous investigation and corruption findings of the former TAFE IT manager Ronald Cordoba. Despite a prior fraud conviction being flagged when he was first hired as a teacher at the South West Sydney Institute, the conviction was not picked up when he was promoted internally to the position of IT manager. Cordoba went on to defraud the Institute of $1.7 million Australian dollars, the ICAC found. Cordoba has pleaded guilty to the charges and will be sentenced in April this year. This week, the Australian Taxation Office has been told to rework the Amazon cloud contract. The reason the rework of the cloud services contract with Amazon Web Services is because it exposes the agency to contractual and operational risks. The directive was made by the Australian National Audit Office, or ANAO, and forms part of a wider recommendation to publicly publish standards for online services backed by better service standards at the ATO's outsourced IT contracts. The ATO has signed deals with 3 cloud providers, AWS, Macquarie Telecom and Azure. It's only the Amazon deal that was called out as potentially problematic. The auditor said there are no provisions for the service measures and service levels that are specific and applicable for the ATO in its service commitment to deliver services. This week, the Digital Transformation Agency added cybersecurity to its $7 billion government watch list. The DTA was handed $10.7 million over 4 years in the 2017 federal budget to establish a cybersecurity advisory office within its digital investment management function, which is in charge of monitoring a $7 billion watch list of Commonwealth IT projects. Cyber Minister Angus Taylor revealed that the office would begin collecting highly detailed data on the Commonwealth's cyber security spending from April. He also added, "I'm committed to implementing the same kind of rigor in our investment decisions in cyber as we had done in digital." I'm Brad Nelson of Nelson Hilliard, cloud computing recruitment specialist placing great people in cloud, IoT, fintech and AI. I hope you enjoyed watching this week's news highlights, and remember to like, subscribe, comment and share this video with your friends and with your colleagues. You can also connect with me on LinkedIn, find us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. And until next week, be good, be safe and keep our clouds secure. Oh, and don't forget to watch the David Lindencombe shows that we do weekly: Cloud Computing Australia, Cloud Computing for the C-Suites and Cloud Computing Training. Thanks for watching, everyone.